Hello everyone, welcome to HooplaKidz How To. Today I'm going to show you how to make bubble slime without any borax. So for this you're going to need some glue, some vinegar, some bicarbonate of soda, a large bowl. You're also going to need some contact lens solution with boric acid in it, a spoon, a stick. So let's get started. I'm pouring the glue into my large bowl. Into it, I'm adding 3 tablespoons of bicarbonate of soda. Give it a good stir. Make sure there are no lumps. Now I'm adding some food coloring. It's best to add the food coloring at this stage because it blends really well. Now I'm adding the contact lens solution. I'm adding about 2 tablespoons or until the mixture goes rubbery. You'll see the chemical reaction happening right in front of your eyes. Perfect. Looking good. Let's scoop it up. Look how stretchy it is. Doesn't our slime look great? Now we're going to repeat the process. Let's add the glue to the bowl. Now let's add the bicarbonate of soda like we did before. Stir it all together. I'm now adding some green food dye. You can see that exactly the same reaction is happening when I add the contact lens solution. And now we have green slime. Doesn't this look amazing? Cool, huh? So now let's take our pink slime. I've also got purple. You can make as many different colors as you like. See, I've got red as well. All of this slime was made without borax. Isn't that great? Don't forget our green. I've also got an orangey yellow. Doesn't it look awesome? I love making slime. Let's see what happens if we mix all of our colors together. We're going to get a rainbow. It's going to be great. Let's lie them all next to each other. Stretch them out long. That is so much slime, it looks great. Let's mix them together. Doesn't that look cool? We're getting a rainbow marbled effect. I love it. So now that we've mixed our slime together, I'm going to show you something even more amazing. Let's add vinegar to our slime. Because we've got bicarbonate of soda in there, you'll see that it starts to bubble and react. It's so awesome. The slime is literally bubbling and fizzing. Not 1, but 2 chemical reactions. Super cool, huh? And there you have it, bubble slime without any borax. Thanks for watching HooplaKidz How To, everyone. We'll see you again next time. Bye!